Yeah, hi guys. Good evening to all of you. Thanks for joining in this SAP FICO Workshop demo class. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Ram, and I am working as a senior SAP FICO consultant. I hope everyone already took the SAP FICO course because it's purely workshop batch only. Who already took the FICO course and who are preparing for interview, or who want to learn the real-time knowledge, those persons only this batch will help you. Now, real-time SAP FICO workshop. Now, in every mind, you will get the doubt that what is the use of this batch? Why we need to join in this batch? We have already taken FICO course. Like that, you will get multiple doubts. But the thing is, guys, if you are preparing for interviews or struggling in interviews, then this batch will be helpful for you to crack the interview or to survive in the job. My main motive to start this batch is to provide the real-time project experience, whatever I got in my projects, that experience, that knowledge I will share. Then this will be helpful you to easily you can crack the interview or easily you can survive in the job. Because in FICO course, you will get only theoretical knowledge. Nowadays, that knowledge you can get in Google or YouTube also. But the real-time basis knowledge, it is very important in terms of interview point of view or even in real-time also. Let's see what are the topics I will cover in this batch briefly. You see, these are the topics I am going to cover in this workshop batch. Project landscape and type of projects, responsibilities of FICO consultant in implementation or support project, validation, substitution, LTMC, BDC, P2P cycle, APP, DME, BCM. BCM is nothing but bank communication management, EBS, AIC intent cycle, the foreign currency valuation, accrual or deferrals, month-end and year-ending activities, real-time incidents, and the one of the main important concept are in this whole workshop, enhancement including FSD with the logic, everything. These are the topics I am going to cover in this workshop. The duration will be around, it will be 1 month duration. Daily the class timings will be the evening time, 8 to 9 p.m. And the fees is 10K. Guys, you may think that fees is very high, 10,000 is very high, you may think like that. But you just think for normal, even basic FICO course also, you might be paid, you might have been paid from 15,000 minimum to 25,000. It depends on the institution or person from where you took the course. But that is basic course, guys. Whatever the topics, whatever the topics I'm going to cover in this workshop, if you see, all are the very important in real-time point of view. I will share all the knowledge, all the experience, whatever I got in my real time. I will share those knowledge only. 100% I am sharing some of the topics. If you see the LTMC, the BDC, DME, BCM, EBS, enhancements, one of the very important enhancement. If you mention these topics in your resume, 100% even in 100 resumes also your resume will be highlighted. That is for sure, damn sure I'm saying that. Now, that is the reason I am asking you guys, if you want to learn, then it is perfect option for you. You can join and you can learn the real-time knowledge. Now let's see each one of the topic briefly. The project landscape and type of projects. Now, in your resume, if you are applying as an experienced person, definitely you should mention 1 or 2 projects in your resume. It is for sure. So then interviewer will ask you this type of questions. What is the landscape of the client? Because normally in our practice system, we will do everything in single practice. Configuration, testing, everything we will do in system. But in real time, it won't be like that. You will have the separate landscape. For it depends on the project wise, it may change. So what type of projects you worked on, how many projects you worked on, interviewer will ask you these type of questions, and what are the roles and responsibilities you worked on in your implementation or support project like this. So you should be aware what should be tell, what you have done in the implementation or what you have done in the support project, everything. The second one, validation or substitution. What is meant by validation or substitution? How to create a validation rule, substitution rule, how to use set in validation, or how to use user exit in substitution. Why exactly we will go for validation or substitution rule as per the business requirement? I will take at least two example for validation and two example from substitution. From my real-time project only, we will do in the system itself, not a theoretical way. We will create a rules and we will see everything in the system itself. Next thing, LTMC, Legacy Transfer Migration Cockpit. What is meant by LTMC in S4HANA? What is the use of LTMC in SAP? How to use the LTMC in SAP? Everything we will see. Same way, BDC, Batch Data Communication. What is meant by BDC? What is the use of BDC in SAP? How to use the BDC in SAP? Why we will go for BDC creation? Like that, everything we will see. Of the very important in terms of interview point of view, the P2P cycle, end-to-end cycle. In our workshop, I will discuss end-to-end P2P cycle from PR, purchase requisition to reconciliation. How to configure the FMM integration settings, what is the two-way matching or three-way matching, what are the journal entries covered under P2P cycle, everything we will see in the system itself. APP including DME and BCM. Normally, in our FICO course or even in whenever you are practicing also, you may test up to APP only. Even in APP also, may not get full knowledge. But in our workshop, we will discuss end-to-end APP. After APP, how to create a DME structure, how to link the DME to the payment methods and company and house banks, how to activate the BCM. Why exactly we will go for BCM, Bank Communication Management? How the approvals will trigger after maintaining the BCM configurations, how to check the payment file, outbound or inbound related files, everything we will see. AUC, normally in our workshop, I don't discuss asset accounting. I will discuss only the AUC end-to-end cycle. If you want to book any expenses against AUC, then how we will book through purchase requisition. Once the construction is completed, then how to distribute and settle AUC asset to the final asset, how to book the depreciation against final asset, everything we will see the end-to-end process relating to asset under construction. Same way, month-end and year-ending activities. What are the activities covered in month-end and what are the activities covered in year-end? As a FICO consultant, what is the role relating to month-end or year-ending activities? How to run? One of the very important concept, these three: foreign currency valuation, accrual or deferral entries, recurring entries. Everything, whatever I am going to tell you, most of the topics we will see in the system only. Real-time incidents, because when you go for interviewer will ask you, could you please tell me any critical incidents which you worked on, or any critical incident which you worked with the ABAPer, where we need to debug and finding out the root cause. Then I will tell you 10 real-time incidents which I worked on myself. I will bring and I will explain everything, what exactly the issue faced by the user, what is the resolution provided by me, everything we will discuss in detail. Final beauty of the workshop is enhancement. I'm damn sure I'm telling you, nowhere you will get enhancement related subject. Nowhere. Maybe you will get basic knowledge, but no one will explain, no one will discuss about FSD, how to write the FSD by taking any one of the requirement. In our workshop, what I will do, whatever the requirements, whatever the developments I worked on in my real time, I will take two developments and I will explain in detail the BRD, what exactly the business requirement, how to write the FSD, Everything we will see with the logic also. The functional specification document FSP is nothing but we will see the end to end everything. If you mention this enhancement in your resume, I'm again telling you because it will add you more 100% more to your resume. That much important we have for this enhancement in SAP. So these are the topics I am going to cover in this workshop. So if you are really interested, to learn SAP FICO real-time basis, all these topics, then it is very good opportunity. Thank you. Thank you so much. If anyone interested, please DM me. So then we can connect and we can discuss. If you have any doubts also, you can ping me. Okay. Because I have some other meeting I need to join. Okay. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Bye.